The following program is rated PG. Welcome to a very special episode of CETV Exclusives. Today, we're looking back at some of the most memorable K-pop interviews we've done, both on ground and online. Whether it was kilig, inspiring, or emotional, these idols made each moment unforgettable. Let's dive in! So, 2025 has been a great start for you guys so far. What do you think is the biggest achievement you have so far this year?
This year, actually starting this year, we are very happy to announce that finally we can do a lot of things. Kasi parang nasa amin na lahat ng mga bagay na magagamit namin, mga things na magagamit namin for something bigger this year. And marami pa kaming gagawin this year. Hindi ko pa siya pwedeng sabihin, but we're very excited to share it with everyone very, very soon.
Yes, we're looking forward to what is happening very soon. So, we saw your vacation photos in Instagram and
Yes.
with Seon. Is that?
Yeah.
So, how was it like reuniting with the Boost members?
Very happy. Kasi every year naman, we do that thing. Na lumalabas kami, nakikita-kita, we celebrate Christmas and New Year together. But this time, we level up and lumabas kami ng Manila. Pumunta kaming beach somewhere, doon kami nag-celebrate together. So parang yearly naman siya nangyayari and happy kami na kahit busy kami, nagkakaroon pa rin kami ng chance to meet and celebrate Christmas.
Yes, it's a good thing that you mentioned about your group. How was it like seeing them again?
Very happy. Kasi parang every time na nagkikita kami, we get updates kung ano nangyari sa buhay-buhay namin, parang gano'n. And nakakatuwa lang na lahat naman kami successful sa life namin and happy.
Any message to your 18 who voted for you? 2 awards!
Yes! 18, thank you so much for the love and support. Until now, di mga paniwala na nakapag-uwi tayo ng napakaraming awards dahil yun sa inyo. Kaya gagawin ko lahat para maging deserving sa award na to, and keep on supporting me, my brothers, and all the artists here in the Philippines. Thank you so much. Wish, thank you so much. I love you.
Magbalik na lang muna tayo sa 2022, September 2022 sa Robinson's Dasma. Remember yung mall show natin doon? Remember that?
Yes.
You were having a mall show there and I was in the crowd enjoying it. Andun yung mga friend ko. But then, something unexpected happened. Nakapaglaro ko ng Hebe Hooray. Oh my God, that is so traumatizing.
Joker po kayo host? Si Joker po yung diba?
Yes, I remember. Yung first one instead of yung Hebe Hooray, nakakamiss yan. And then I was one of the 10 or so players and I was doing so well. Hanggat dumating na mga halfway through the game or so, na-out ako, na-trauma na ako doon. Na-stumble ako and I got eliminated. Muntik na ako manalo. This close na.
Next time po.
At you know what, guys? Muntik na ako manalo ng GC. Pero mas nakakaba kapag nasa TV ka. 50 mil pa naman yan ang premyo sa TV. Pero, you know what? That game will forever haunt me. Even if I somehow ended up sa mga rally ni Kuya Will, I swear that game will traumatize me forever. And that's...
Joker po yung malala nyo parate.
Nawadlaw ni Ray! Ayoko na! Okay. Wala nang ibang ilang beses ko basta sabihin to na yun.
Ano ba nami-miss mo sa Pilipinas?
Syempre family and friends. Pero bukod doon yung pagkain.
Yes. Is there a similar food to adobo in Thailand?
Adobo. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung tawag. Pero recently may nakain akong similar yung taste. Nakalimutan ko
ask the guy. You can ask Mr. Tom about. Mr. Tom, what was that food
Yeah,
about?
Do you remember what we ordered last time at the restaurant?
Thai This is like
Thai
adobo.
food.
Yeah. The one we ordered, the same meal.
The meal. I mean,
I
we went
forgot
to a
what it's
lot.
called. The pork.
There's
Uh,
what is it? It's like last Thursday or something.
yeah.
At I sit in different table of you guys, but you guys ordered eat together. That I remember.
We
Yeah.
have similar meal. We have the same meal.
Oh, you ordered the same thing? Yeah.
What's it called?
I actually have a receipt, but can I like went and get it for a little bit? If you can
Okay.
wait for a bit, then
Okay, we can wait for that.
Okay.
Okay, we can wait. Okay, so while we wait, you can help us on this one. So can you describe to us that meal?
Ayun, ano siya, pork, tapos, although medyo more, it's spicier than adobo. Kasi di ba adobo
Mm.
has paminta, onti lang. That
Or
one was a
pepper.
bit spicier. Pepper. Um, ayun, mayroon din siyang suka, I believe, toyo. Yeah, exactly same ingredients, but different spices. Ganun siya.
Oh,
I
it's like
actually here now. It's
Mm.
in Thai is called khao na mu tun. Do you know that?
kauna.
Khao na mu tun. It's pork, steaming pork something, I think.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Very
Mahirap
interesting. Thank you very much.
sagutin.
Hapon again.
Yeah.
Hapon ka.
So, marami kayong significant milestones in just a short period. Ano bang pinaka-memorable moment in the group so far? At ano ba goals and you're setting your sights on next?
So far po, for me, isa sa mga pinakamalaki naming accomplishments is natotoo na yung, ay hindi pa pala, yung makapag-perform po sa kanya-kanyang hometowns.
Malapit na
Isa na lang. Si Joshua po, di ba po kami nakapag-CDO?
before ng teaching for CDO kasi hindi na.
Kaso ibang CDO yata kasi yung
Ano rin po, feeling ko po winning an AWIT award po.
Oo nga pala.
Is such a huge milestone po and achievement for Yes My Love na we really didn't expect to win such a prestigious award last year, and it was really because of our 143, and for that we are extremely grateful. And kaya goal for 2025 is to release as much music as we can because I feel like that's our way of giving back to our 143. Kasi
Yes! Maganda yan yung na-achieve na yung Awit Awards. Natutuwa ako na nagka-Awit Award kayo. I'm so happy for you guys. Bilang casual listener, let me admit it, casual listener and sometimes radio DJ, pero I'm happy to have seen the growth of the group. Akalaan nyo yun?
Let's talk rituals right now because you do perform live on stage or record songs. Now, tell me about the rituals you did before you ever sing live or before you record a song in the studio. And how did you do this?
Again, sorry.
Okay, let me repeat the question.
Can you repeat the question?
All right. Tell me about the rituals you did before you perform live or record a song.
Ritual?
Yes.
Wait. Before the recording, like I'm really kind of nervous. Every time I put my feet on these all the time. So what I'm doing was listening to a very upbeat song. Well, both of the times I'm still, nervous, like, especially if it's my first time to perform on that kind of event or show. So I really got nervous sometimes, and I just pray before the performance. I always pray, like, please guide me. I hope I will not make any mistakes. Yeah, something like that. So.
CTV fam, that was our walk down memory lane with some of your favorite P-pop acts. Thanks for sticking with us through every exclusive moment. Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe for more exciting kwentuhan. Once again, my name is Dom Holiday, and you've been watching CTV Exclusives, your front row seat to the stars. pwedeng mag-bonding kahit saan, kahit kailan. Subscribe na! Follow at CETV Philippines and join our CETV Insiders for only 99 pesos a month para sa exclusive perks. Tara't mag-enjoy dahil masaya ang summer dito!